Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to properly set the correction level on your OPS1000 receiver collar. This is the OPS1000 fence transmitter. This is where you'll make system adjustments as well as adjust the intensity level of the collar as you work through lesson 2 of the Gentle Approach training program. To set the collar, the transmitter communicates wirelessly. There are no switches and dials on the collar itself. You must bring the collar to the transmitter in order to set the desired intensity level that you're looking for. To do this, you'll open up the front cover and you'll need to locate the 3 buttons that are along the top here, as well as this 3-way selector switch here. This 3-way selector switch is labeled small, medium, and large. These top 3 buttons, you have a down arrow, an up arrow, and a set button. These are the buttons in this 3-way switch that will be used to set the intensity of the collar. This system has 30 levels of correction built into it, but they are isolated into 10 level banks. The first 10 levels are for your small dogs. The next 10 levels are for your medium dogs, and then of course the last 10 levels are for your large dogs. So depending on the size of dog you're working with and the temperament level that they have, you'll want to select the correct position of that switch so that you're setting the correct level for that dog. If you're working with a dog that's under 20 pounds or has a very mild temperament, you'll want to have this switch all the way over in the left position for small. If you have a medium-sized dog, you'll move the switch over to the medium position, and that's for a dog that is 20 to 35 pounds and has an average temperament. If you have a dog that's over 40 pounds or has a strong-willed temperament, you'll want to be all the way over in the right side, which is the large setting. So for today's example, we're working with a large dog and we're wanting to set the collar to level 5. To do that, you'll want to illuminate level 5 in the LCD screen while keeping the switch over in the far right position for large dog. Then you'll bring the collar up to the top of the transmitter, hold the set button till the collar turns red. When it starts flashing green, pull it away. It will chirp 1 time indicating that it took large dog level 5. For another example, if you're working with a smaller sized dog, move the switch to small and then set it to, say we're going to level 3. We'll place the collar on top of the transmitter, hold the set button until the collar turns red. When it starts to flash green, you pull it away and it chirps 1 time letting you know it took small dog level 3. And that is how simple it is to set the desired correction level on the receiver collar. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.